fusion markets.
Now we're going to go through the TradingView chart interface. So things like drawing tools, price charts, library, time frames, customizable settings. We're going to go through everything front to back. So we'll probably start on this side here. I'll work my way up top, and then we'll go to the left side on the drawing tools. And sorry, I should mention, I do want to go through the chart settings as well. So look, I think it's really important, and one thing that I'm big on is being able to customize my own chart. So I'm just going to hide that there so you get a good look at my screen. And through here, you'll see that there are a variety of options that I can use to customize my chart. To bring this menu up, you just want to right click, and you can see that I've got a bunch of different settings here. So if I want to change the body and the colors of my candles here, I might want to change it to purple and red, or something different. I can do that. So for the purposes of this, we'll just go to a black just to make things nice and easy. And you can really easily come in and change this to black. You've got some great options to customize your charts here and all the colors that you need. And that's one thing that makes TradingView very exciting. You can do everything that you want, and you can do it in a free account. It's fantastic. You can also come in here and update a bunch of different things on the status line. The status line is this side here, and some information up here. So you might want to say, I want to see bar volume all the time. I want to see the last day change values. I want to see descriptions or ticker descriptions up the top. There's a bunch of different things that you can do on that status line. You've also got the option to scale for scales and lines. This is just no overlapping labels. Again, we're talking about this side here. Countdown bar to close. So, if you're for example, a day trader, and you can see that I've got the daily chart open. I know that I've got 9 hours and 36 hours left until that next candle ticks over. You can get a variety of different information here. So fantastic settings here. You can also look at your canvas, and this is one that I love. You can change your gradient. So, for example, I might want to have, a nice gray image here, or maybe I want to go a deep black and something a bit more extravagant, maybe a nice little pink in there. That doesn't look the greatest, but you can see that you do have these options to customize. For now, I'm just going to keep these as white as white. You can add in things like grid lines, and you can make these grid lines, have, strong opacity or no opacity. So you can really customize that out. And if you want to change the color, feel free to do so. You can see that I've got the vertical and horizontal grid lines there that I can change and customize. You've got crosshairs. You can choose how you want your crosshair to look. A variety of different options. You've got text that you can increase in size if you want to make your text bigger. I know, personally, I'm not wearing my glasses today, but sometimes I do need to pop them on because it gets a little bit too hard to read. So wearing those glasses is fantastic. And increasing those text sizes is fantastic. You don't have to wear your glasses. So a brilliant one there. Excellent. On the trading side of things, you've got your buy and sell button. So this is often referred to as your one-click trading, your instant order placement. If I want to come in here, I might be scalping. I might see a great opportunity on the CPI data. I want to come in and press and execute right away. This is where I have my instant orders and buy sell button. So I can just quickly place trades, get in and out of those trades, and take advantage of those market movements. There's execution labels. There's a bunch of different things that you can pop in here. And then you've got events. This is great for the news traders that we probably do have here. I'll load something up here just so you get a really good idea of what you can see. But just at the bottom here, you can see that there are a number of flags. These flags are relevant to the Euro and the US markets. And if I go, I want to see, I've unticked only future events, you can see that this populates everything under here. And what this is showing is all of the high, medium, and low impact news events that can actually tend to move around these markets and what is actually having an impact on these markets. So I personally like to only see future events, what's coming up that's actually going to impact these markets. And if I do click these, it does give me a little bit of a breakdown of what's coming and what's expected. So you can see, great, I need to be across this core inflation data. It's going to be year on year, month on month. What's the forecast? What's the previous? And what's the actual? It's going to show me this data as it comes through, and you'll most likely see that price move around if it's something that's unexpected. So that's just the basics here of everything that you can do on your chart setting.